Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sayyida Alina Batul and I'm a foundation level student in Rehan School. So today I'm going to give you a review on a TEDx talk on the topic of how to build a new tomorrow for yourself by Sidra Iqbal. In a world that often feels fast, uncertain and overwhelming, the idea of being new, building a new tomorrow carries deep meaning. Sidra Iqbal's perspective on this topic is not just motivational, it is a practical reminder that transformation begins within. Her message focuses on personal responsibility, mindset shifts, and the courage to take control of one of own life path, even when circumstances feel limiting. At the heart of this topic is the belief that tomorrow is not something we wait for. It is something we actively create. Sidra Iqbal emphasizes that change does not require perfect condition. It requires consistent effort and willingness to begin, even the certainty. This idea is especially powerful for individuals who still stuck or unsure about their direction in life. This message encourages self reflection, understanding who you are and what holds you back, what kind of future you truly want. Instead of focusing on external barriers, it shifts intention towards internal growth. Habits, mindset, discipline, and emotional resilience. It suggests that even daily improvement can gradually reshape an entire life path. Another important aspect of this topic is resilience. Life does not always move smoothly. Its setbacks inevitable, however, rather than viewing failure as an endpoint. What makes Sidra Iqbal perspective especially meaningful is the balance between inspiration and realism. What does not promise overnight success, but it does hope after grounded in action. It gently pushes the idea that progress is built step by step, decision by decision, and completely a new direction begin to emerge. Overall, how to build a new tomorrow for yourself is a deeply encouraging, practical reminder that future is shaped by what you choose today. It inspires self-belief, patience, and consistent effort, making it relevant in life. This message ultimately leaves you with one strong takeaway. No matter where you are right now, you always have the power to begin again and build something new. So, viewers, this was my review on the TEDx talk by How to Build a New Future for Yourself by Sidra Iqbal. I hope you guys liked it, enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Alina Batul. Allah Hafiz and Pakistan Zindabad.